Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to send a message on TikTok. Really easy and simple to do. So first things first, you just want to head over to your TikTok application and open it up. And then once you're on the TikTok application, you just want to click on the inbox tab, so just the one just to the right of the plus button on the bottom. Just click on that, and then in the top right corner you'll see the paper airplane icon. You can just click on that there. And then this is where you can send direct messages to your friends or other people on TikTok. You just click on the plus icon and you can see a bunch of people that you can send messages to. And depending on the privacy settings of the accounts, you can actually message people that aren't following you and you're not following either. So that's really cool that you don't have to follow them to be able to send them a message. And then if you actually go to a TikTok video, just on the home screen here, and you just click on the share icon, you can actually share it to them. It's really, really easy to do. So you just click on the share to message, and then you could click on anyone that you want to send that specific TikTok video to. Really, really simple to do. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.